My Spoken English 2.2 Unit 1.
Speak right. Your accent is your asset.
Digraph CH. Letters come together to make sounds. Sometimes two letters come together in a special way and make one sound. When this happens, we say a digraph is formed. Digraphs are two letters that come together to make one sound. The two letters can be two consonants, two vowels, or a combination of a vowel and a consonant.
Speak right. Your accent is your asset.
Today, we're going to learn about the digraph CH. The digraph CH has a common sound and other sounds that are not so common. In this lesson, we shall learn two sounds of CH. They are ch and k. When CH is followed by a vowel, it is more likely to have the sound ch. But when CH is followed by a consonant, it will more likely say k. When CH occurs at the end of a word, it is more likely to have the sound ch.
Now, let's go to the world of examples and see how this works as we say and spell words with CH.
Welcome to a world of examples of the digraph CH.
Change, change, change. Church, church, church. Chop, chop, chop. Chase, chase, chase. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Chastity, chastity, chastity. Chose, chose, chose. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Children, children, children. Challenge, chalenge, challenge.
Speak right. Your accent is your asset.